what's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back and checking out Beard Times with Scott. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like and comment on some of the videos that you like. Share some with your friends. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can see them first. While you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. As you all can see, I'm going bald, so I decided to shave my head. And it's another thing that I can start reviewing is shaving products. I know there's a lot of beard care companies that make shaving products. If you'd like for me to do a review for them, please email me with the email down below at beardtimeswithscottmail@gmail.com. I'm from Martinsburg, West Virginia, and a company that is from my same hometown has graciously allowed me to review their shaving products. Mountaineer brand. MountaineerBrand.com is where you can find the products. I highly recommend this company. It's one of the best companies I've ever used. They make beard balms, they make beard oils, they make shaving products, they make products for your well-being, such as utility balms and bug repellents, skin products for the kids, and things like that. They were nice enough to send me one of their shaving kits. It comes in a burlap bag, and here's their shaving soap. As you can see, it's in the moonshine scent. Here's the pre-shave oil. This is actually the first product that I'm going to be using like a pre-shave oil. Never used that before. They also sent me their post-shave balm, and those are in the eucalyptus scent, and they also sent me a very nice shaving brush. Now, the concept that they have is a 2 or 3 step process. First, of course, you soak your head with as hot water as you can stand or with a hot towel, so I'll be doing that. And the second thing you do is you apply the pre-shave oil, which kind of opens up your pores and gets your head ready to be shaven. Then you take their shave soap, get it nice and wet, and you lather it up on your brush, and I'm going to paint my head white with the shaving soap, shave my head, and then at the end, you put on the post-shave balm for conditioning for your skin and for your hair. As most of you know, I only record all my videos with a cell phone, an iPhone 7, and I know you don't want to sit here and watch me shave my entire head for a good 20 to 30 minutes or however long it takes me. So I'm going to start and stop this process throughout the video, and I'll give you the progress as I'm going along. Okay, if you can see, I just soaked my head with some scalding hot water. Use the hot water because that opens up your pores and gets it ready. Next thing I'm going to do is take the pre-shave oil. Always shake up your oils no matter what you do, and this will get your hair and your head ready just as well to be shaven. Now keep in mind, I'm imagining that these products that they've sent me are for shaving on your face, but I figured I'm not shaving my beard of any kind, and I might as well try out some shaving products on my head because I am in the market for some shaving products now. This is a eucalyptus scented oil, and the ingredients in this are grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and just eucalyptus seed oil. Eucalyptus leaf oil. You can't get much simpler than that. Here is their shave soap. I'm going to take this and get this wet and get it on the brush here. As you can see, it's making a real nice lather into the brush right here. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to paint my head white. This is probably going to take me a little bit, but I want to show you guys the step-by-step and how it's going. And I'll be right back. Alright, and now I am getting some lather. This took about 90 seconds to 2 minutes to get this going. You can see the lather on my head starting already, and I'll be back. As you can see, my mirror is right here to my side, so if I turn this way, don't think I'm ignoring you of any kind. I just want to make sure I get this precise, but I want to show you guys how this works. And the only razors that I'm using are the Gillette Fusion. These are the disposable throwaways. I've actually had this razor for about a year now, and that tells you how many times I've used it. Never. Okay, you can see the difference. Here's the line. Here's where I've shaved. So far, I'm going backwards, and here's where I haven't shaved, so there gives you a progress for that. Okay, can you see that right there? All I did was I shaved my head backwards all the way around my entire head, and it's pretty good so far. I'm really liking this. Now I'm going to lather my head up once again, and I'm going to go the opposite direction because I can still feel hair as I push my hand up, so I'm going to get it that way this time. Here we go, lathering up the head again. And like I said, this time I'm going to go against the grain
This stuff lathers up very, very nice. It takes about, like I said, about a minute to 2 seconds to get the lather going on your head. And you'll see it start to foam up, and when that happens, as it's starting to now, just take that in. It's like painting my head. Crazy. And set the brush down. Wet my razor again, and now I'll go the opposite direction to get, you can hear it shaving the opposite direction. And to get the shape up and the exact precise around the ears and stuff, I'll do that off of camera so that I can get those precise. And then voila, as you can see, both directions, very, very smooth. I feel nothing but straight skin on my head, which is very, very nice. So when I'm finished, take out my shaving brush and I rinse out all the shaving cream from here. It'll be just like that. You leave it down on a holder to dry, and then your shaving soap you leave like this, leave it open to dry it out, and it will go back to its form that you saw from the beginning, and that's that. Now here's something I like to do when I'm finished with my shaves. It's just to make sure that if there's any nicks or anything, that the top of my head is safe and clean. I take something like this, which is called a witch hazel, and I put it on a cotton ball, and I put it on my head. Witch hazel has a little bit of a tingle, not a big burn like alcohol does. You can use alcohol if you want to use it, but it's going to burn more. And I just take witch hazel. I kind of like cleans it and make sure if there's any nicks, puts a little bit of antiseptic stuff on it. That's okay. So I'm feeling a little bit of a burn on the back of my head there, and that's all right. That's expected. Rub that in there. And then you follow it up with a Mountaineer Post Balm. The Post Balm I'm imagining that this is for your face, but I use it on my head, which I'm going to use it for my head. And the ingredients of this: grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, coconut oil, castor seed oil, vitamin E, pure honey, eucalyptus leaf oil, citrus lime oil, and citrus grapefruit peel oil. And 2-ounce container. And it's very much like very smooth, like a beard balm. Has that really nice, refreshing eucalyptus smell. Very, very nice. And voila, my skin is complete because I have no more hair. There we go. Now, what is my review of this product? I really like this product. This is probably my number 2 closest shaving. Yes, it's probably my number 2. As I'm feeling, I had one that was a little bit more smoother, and I'm not knocking that by any means. This one is very, very nice. I really enjoy these products. This eucalyptus smell is very refreshing. It's very clean, makes you feel like you're very, very clean. I have no hair whatsoever, no little bit of nicks, no nothing. Mountaineer Brand's shaving kit is going to get a 2 thumbs up, 5-star Beard Times with Scott rating today. So as I said, this is my first video of shaving products. I'm really, really enjoying the experience already. Mountaineer Brand is a really, really awesome company from Martinsburg, West Virginia. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, they're on YouTube, they're on Pinterest. They're everywhere in social media. Find them and follow them. And their products are very, very affordable. If I'm not mistaken, I think this shave kit might cost you $20 to $30. And in that shaving kit, they give you a nice little brush like here. You get a 4-ounce container of their shaving soap. You get some pre-shave oil. And also you'll get some post-shaving balm. And all that's in a nice little burlap sack. I know they come in like a cool peppermint scent, a tea tree, and a eucalyptus. I tried the eucalyptus just to try something different. And I like it. This eucalyptus scent is very, very nice. Like I said, it's very cool. It doesn't make your head like cold, but it gives you a nice little tingle. And I really like that in my beard. And I also like it on my bald head as well. So once again, Mountaineer Brand's shaving kit. 2 thumbs up, 5-star, Beard Times with Scott rating today. You can find their products
at www.mountaineerbrand.com. Thank you all very much again for watching this. If you would like to see more shaving videos and you know companies, please send them to me. Send me some information or their names, put in a comment below, and I'll gladly love to try them out because my hair ain't growing back on my head, so I got to keep it a little bit off as much as I can. So thank you all very much again for watching, and as always, keep on bearding.